Kunin na natin to. Sobrang laki. Hindi ko yata kaya baliin. Kaya, oh, ang dahon na bali. Oh my gosh, ayan, grabe sa laki. Oh, kakatuwa. Kuha pa tayo ng dalawa pa. My gosh. Last one for today. There's more coming. Woo! Mom is here. She's holding the broccolis because they're so huge.
Beautiful bouquet.
Oh, that one is hanging right there. It broke.
Oh, eat that one.
Oh, kainin natin itong nabali.
Man, I wonder if I forgot to bring
Yes, pwedeng kainin na hilaw yung broccoli.
Yum.